Today we're going to be showing you how to replace a kitchen tap. You may want to change your tap for a number of reasons.
Perhaps it's not working efficiently, or you just want to refresh the look of your kitchen.
Either way, replacing your kitchen tap is relatively straightforward with just a little planning and the right tools. There are many different types of tap, and not all taps will be suitable for your sink. So you need to know what kind of tap you already have. Kitchen taps come in a range of types and styles. The three main types are sink pillar taps, deck type sink mixers, and monoblock mixers. The type of tap you can use will be determined by the number of tap holes in your sink. Pillar taps and deck mixer taps are suitable for sinks that have 2 tap holes. Monoblock mixer taps are suitable for sinks with 1 tap hole. For each of the 3 main types of kitchen tap, there are numerous styles available, so you shouldn't have any difficulty finding a style that suits you. Let's have a look at our existing tap. This sink has a single tap hole, so it's a monoblock mixer tap.
And this is our replacement.
Most monoblock mixer taps are supplied partially assembled, with some parts that need to be fitted to the tap on site before it can be fitted. There is a short length of threaded bar. This is part of what's used to secure the tap into place. The threaded bar needs to be screwed into the base of the tap before the tap is fitted. As you can see, this tap has 2 lengths of flexible braided connection pipes. These need to be screwed into the base of the tap before we can start to fit it. Some taps may come with lengths of copper tube with a brass thread fitting with an O-ring instead. These pipes are fitted to the tap in the same way. That's it, the tap is now prepared and it's ready to be fitted. The plumbing fittings needed will vary according to the type of tap, the existing pipework and the connection arrangement. Some mixer taps have a dual flow design, where the hot and cold water passes through the tap in separate tubes and mixes at the outlet of the tap. The other design is where the hot and cold water mix in the body of the tap. Where this is the case, water regulations or bylaws in your area may require a non-return valve or single check valve to be fitted on both the hot and the cold pipes that are connected to the mixer tap. This applies where the hot and cold water pressures are different.
B&Q in-store advisors can assist you with selecting the fittings that you need. It often helps if you can take in a photograph of your existing under-sink plumbing arrangement.